Little Jumbo Kids TV.
Come along and sing with me. Fruits are tasty as can be. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Healthy snacks are such a treat. Red, red apples, shiny and bright. Crunchy bites from morning till night. Yellow bananas, long and sweet. Give us energy when we eat. Fruit parade, fruit parade. Dance along in the shade. Apple, banana, pear and plum. Yummy fruit for everyone. Hey, hey, hooray today. Let's eat fruit and jump and play. Oranges juicy, round and bright. Full of sunshine, what a delight. Green, green grapes in a bunch so neat. Pop them gently for a sweet treat. Fruit parade, fruit parade. Dance along in the shade. Orange grapes and berries too. Healthy fruit for me and you. Strawberries red with tiny seeds. Just the snack our body needs. Watermelon big and round. Juicy smiles all around. Pick up fruit and wave it high. Reach your hands up to the sky. Take a bite and shout, yum, yum. Fruit is fun for everyone. Pineapple wears a leafy crown. Mango turns the sweetest brown. Peaches soft and pear so nice. Every fruit tastes paradise. Fruit parade, fruit parade. Happy choices every day. Apples, bananas, grapes and more. Healthy fruit we all adore. Clap your hands and sing along. Fruit makes us healthy, happy and strong. Yum, yum, yum.